folks, how you doing today? So we just got this in. It came in as a trade-in, which happens occasionally. We kind of like trade-ins. This is what I would consider probably a 1910 to maybe 1925 cast iron firebox on a cast iron base. This is a really nice one if you're a fireman or whatever. Oh, I didn't plug it in. The light lights up, okay? This is all cast iron. This thing weighs an absolute ton. Back in the day, it has both keys. Huh?
So tell me about it. I had to load this son of a bitch.
This is how you would call for the fire people.
Coming up close.
Coming up close. This is for the open and pull lever, and that activates it. Then when I think the way that these worked is once the firemen got there, then they would open this. I have keys for this lock, and here's the key for this lock. It's open, locks in it. And then I believe that once they got there, this is a telegraph system, so that when the actual firemen got there, if they needed extra engines, because there were no telephones, it was telegraph time, right? Beep, 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 beep. So then they would come in and they would activate this thing and they would start tapping out the message. We need everybody, everybody, bring the horses. So this is a telegraph system which is still in there, and to the best of my knowledge, it's complete. Everything's on the thing. It's super cool. You know, we get calls for these. Firemen like them. They're great for museums. Cast iron, lights up, cast iron, heavier than hell. But it's not a problem for us. As you know, we'll just get it crated and shipped to you. All you gotta do is give us a call. We'll get you a price. We'll get this.
Yeah, because I've already broke my back getting it here in the first place.
Yeah, Mr. Walker did get this picked up and brought here. Yeah, thanks, Tim. Actually, it's kind of a really cool piece. Once again, it does light up. It's got the red bulb globe in there. The globe is red. So, very cool piece. If you're looking for a nice firebox, we got one for you. We'll box it up and ship it out. Thank you.